You finally buy a powerful subwoofer, hook everything up, turn on your system, and suddenly the bass sounds weak, distorted, or your amp keeps shutting down. That's where dual voice coil subwoofer wiring confuses a lot of people. One wrong wiring setup can completely change how your system performs, and in some cases, even damage your amplifier. But here's the good news. Once you understand how DVC wiring actually works, building a louder, cleaner, and more efficient car audio system becomes way easier. In this video, you're going to learn exactly what dual voice coil subwoofers are, why wiring matters so much, how series and parallel wiring change impedance, and how to match your subs correctly to your amp for maximum performance. By the end of this video, DVC wiring will finally make sense, even if you're completely new to car audio. Now let's start with the basics so everything becomes easier to understand. DVC simply means dual voice coil. Unlike an SVC subwoofer that has one voice coil, a DVC subwoofer comes with two separate coils. That gives you more wiring flexibility, which is one of the biggest reasons car audio enthusiasts love them. Instead of being locked into one impedance setup, you can wire a DVC sub in different ways depending on the amplifier you're using. For example, a DVC 4-ohm subwoofer has two 4-ohm coils. Those coils can be wired together in series to create an 8-ohm load, or in parallel to create a 2-ohm load. That flexibility helps you get more power from your amplifier while still staying within safe operating limits. And this is where many beginners get confused. They see dual 4-ohm written on the subwoofer and assume the final impedance is automatically 4 ohms. It's not. The way you wire the coils determines the final load your amp sees. Next, let's talk about the two wiring methods that completely change your setup. When wiring in series, you connect the positive terminal of one voice coil to the negative terminal of the other. This increases total impedance. Higher impedance usually means less power output from your amplifier, but it can also reduce strain on the amp and improve stability in certain systems. On the other hand, parallel wiring connects positive to positive and negative to negative. This lowers impedance and allows the amplifier to produce more power. That's why many people wire DVC subs in parallel when they want louder bass and stronger performance. But there's a catch. Your amplifier must be stable at the final impedance load. If your amp is only stable at 2 ohms and you wire your subs down to 1 ohm, you could overheat the amp or trigger protection mode. That's why matching your subwoofer wiring to your amplifier specifications is extremely important. And if this video is already helping you understand car audio better, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with someone struggling with their subwoofer setup. Also comment below and let us know what subwoofer system you're currently running in your car. Now let's discuss how to avoid one of the most common mistakes in car audio. A lot of people buy subwoofers before checking what impedance their amplifier can safely handle. That can lead to poor performance or expensive damage. Before wiring anything, always check your amp's RMS power ratings at different ohm loads. For example, some mono amps make maximum power at 1 ohm, while others are designed for 2 ohm stability. Your goal is to wire the DVC subwoofer so the final impedance matches the amp's ideal power output range. This is why DVC subwoofers are so popular in custom car audio builds. They give you multiple wiring options without forcing you to replace your amplifier. Finally, let's quickly go over a few mistakes that can ruin your setup. One major mistake is mixing different subwoofer impedances together. Another is wiring coils incorrectly and accidentally creating an impedance your amp cannot handle. Some people also ignore proper gain settings and blame the subwoofer when the real issue is amplifier tuning. Good wiring alone won't guarantee amazing bass. Your enclosure, amplifier settings, electrical system, and tuning all work together. So now that you understand how DVC wiring works and why impedance matters, the next big question is this: which DVC subwoofer is actually worth buying? because not every sub delivers the same kind of bass. Some are built for tight daily listening, while others are designed to shake the entire car with deep low frequencies. In this countdown, we're looking at 5 impressive 12-inch DVC subwoofers that stand out for power handling, sound quality, durability, and real-world performance. Make sure you check the Amazon links in the description for the latest deals and prices on all the subwoofers in this list. At number 5, we have the CT Sounds Hydro 12-inch dual shallow mount subwoofer. This model features a dual 2-ohm configuration, 500 watts RMS power handling, 1000 watts max power, and a very compact 4.53-inch mounting depth. It's also designed to perform well in both sealed and ported enclosures, which gives you more flexibility during installation. What really makes this sub stand out is the balance between shallow mount convenience and surprisingly aggressive bass output. A lot of shallow subs struggle to hit deep lows with authority, but this one delivers cleaner low-end response than many people expect. Looking at the specs and performance, it's a strong option for trucks, smaller trunks, or tight custom installs where space is limited but bass still matters. The only slight downside is that it won't hit as hard as some of the larger competition-focused models higher on this list. But for compact setups, it performs impressively well. This sub is best for anyone wanting solid bass without sacrificing cargo space. Coming in at number 4 is the Kicker CompR 12-inch subwoofer. This sub features a 500 watt RMS rating, 2-ohm impedance, forced air cooling, a ribbed Santoprene surround, and Kicker's rigid solo cone design for improved durability and reduced distortion. This is one of those subwoofers that simply delivers dependable everyday bass. Compared to other options in this price range, the CompR has a very controlled sound signature with punchy output that works great for hip-hop, rock, and EDM. The cooling system also helps keep temperatures under control during longer listening sessions, which adds to overall reliability. Based on what most users report, the CompR handles daily abuse extremely well without sounding muddy at high volume. It may not be the most extreme SPL monster here, but it gives you clean, musical bass that feels satisfying in real-world driving. This sub is best for people building a reliable daily driver sound system. Now stepping into more serious territory, at number 3 we have the Skar Audio EVL 12D2. This subwoofer comes with massive 1250 watts RMS power handling, a competition-grade paper cone, 23.5 mm max, dual 2-ohm voice coils, and a frequency response reaching down to 25 Hz. This subwoofer is built for deep, aggressive bass. The EVL series has gained a strong reputation for producing low frequencies that feel heavy and violent without completely sacrificing sound quality. You can tell this sub was designed for people who want their system noticed from outside the car. The bigger power requirements do mean you'll need a capable amplifier and decent electrical support to really unlock its full potential. But once properly powered, the output is seriously impressive. This sub is best for bass heads chasing loud, window-flexing performance. Taking the number 2 spot is the DD Audio SL712D2 shallow subwoofer. It features a high-temperature 3-inch copper voice coil, dual-layer spiders with integrated tinsel leads, and up to 1000 watts max power handling. What makes this sub unique is how much output it delivers despite being a shallow design. DD Audio has a strong reputation in the car audio world for engineering subs that stay musical while still delivering hard-hitting bass, and this model follows that same philosophy beautifully. The bass response feels tight, responsive, and surprisingly deep for a shallow mount setup. It's also built extremely well, which explains why DD Audio products are respected by serious audio enthusiasts. This sub is best for custom installs needing premium shallow mount performance. And finally, taking the top spot is the Sundown Audio SA12D4 REV3. This monster features 1500 watts RMS power handling, dual 4-ohm voice coils, a vented magnetic gap, aluminum voice coil former, stitched XL tinsel leads, and advanced cooling technologies designed for serious power. This subwoofer has become legendary in the car audio community for one reason: brutal low-end performance combined with impressive control. The SA12 doesn't just play loud. It digs deep into the low frequencies while staying clean and composed even under heavy power loads. The engineering here is on another level. From the vented frame design to the Faraday rings that help smooth acoustic response, everything feels purpose-built for serious bass performance. Compared to many subs in this category, the SA12 delivers an incredible mix of SBL capability and sound quality. If you want competition-level bass while still enjoying musical accuracy, this sub absolutely deserves the #1 spot. It's best for serious bass enthusiasts who want powerful, high-output performance without compromise. So that wraps up our picks for the best 12-inch DVC subwoofers you can buy right now. Whether you need a compact shallow-mount setup or a full-blown bass machine, there's something here for every type of car audio build. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with fellow bass lovers. Also drop a comment below and let us know which subwoofer you'd choose for your system. And don't forget to check the Amazon links in the description for the latest deals and availability on all the models featured today.